Alrighty, what is up guys? Today we are back in another video. We will be going pig farming. Oh yeah, okay, so last video I was just showing you my dinosaurs and stuff like that. I have two pages. The second page is one dinosaur. Alright, let's get to the pig farm. Let's go. Alright, we are at the pig farm. Now let's go kill some pigs. Let's go kill some pigs. Let's go kill. And I'm gonna kill like a couple pigs, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys after. So yeah. All right, and now. Alright, well, I'm gonna get to you guys after I kill 20 minutes worth of pigs. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just finished killing 20 minutes worth of pigs. I'm gonna meet you guys about to start. Peace out. Nah, just kidding. Peace out. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to join my fan code, top left right now, and should be there. Okay, make sure to like, subscribe. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.